Being wasteful is horrifying. So be sure to use all of your holiday pumpkin. If you throw your squash in the trash, it will just sit there useless in a landfill, wasted. So here's 3 simple ways to sustainably dispose of your holiday gourd. 1. The easiest way to dispose of your pumpkin is to simply compost it. Just add it to your compost bin or your compost pile and you're done. The nutrients in the pumpkin will be added back into the soil and its energy won't be wasted. 2. An even better use for it is to cut it up and feed it to wildlife. Many common backyard animals like birds, rabbits, deers, chipmunks, squirrels, porcupines, moles, and mice will gladly eat your pumpkin up. And if you don't want to encourage that wildlife to live in your backyard, then consider leaving it in a neighbor's yard. Okay, just kidding, but you can find a nice nearby wildlife reserve. 3. The best use for it is to consume the pumpkin yourself. You can eat all of the pumpkin. Okay, well, maybe not like that. First, try eating the seeds. If you bake the seeds for about half an hour at 300 degrees on a baking sheet, you'll be toasting them to pure perfection. Those seeds are jam-packed with magnesium, zinc, protein, amino acids, omega-3s, and antioxidants to keep you looking young. Then, take the slick, slimy, stringy guts of the pumpkin to make a delicious vegetable broth. Just boil up your pumpkin's insides in water and add some other vegetables like onions, carrots, or celery for additional flavoring. Have fun with it. You'll have a delicious soup in no time. And of course, you can always use your pumpkin to make delicious pumpkin pie. So be sure to use all of the pumpkin this season. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.